Hey guys, my name is Ismas and today I have some great news for you. Blender 2.8 was released officially yesterday, so you can go and download Blender 2.8 the official release, that is the stable release on the official Blender website. But if you still want to use 2.7, there is also a link for you to download that. So that's already old news. Now let's go to something new, interesting here. So as an introduction to Blender 2.8, I'm giving away a few of my models to my Patreon. So if you're a Patreon, you can go to the Patreon page, which is patreon.com/top channel 1-on-1 and download these models I have here. So I have a time machine here that I modeled. I haven't uploaded the time-lapse version of modeling this, but I'll be uploading that. So the modeling was done in Blender, obviously, because this is my official, the program I like to use, and the texturing was done in Substance Painter. Yes, so you can download this model and a few other models that I have. Let me show you how this, just show how this looks. Yeah, you can see it's quite a highly detailed model with good texturing, yes. So I also have this. This is also going to be given away, so you can use this in your projects any way you want. As long as you are a patron, you can just go and download these models there. And I'm also giving away this city scene that we made in the previous video. So if you want to go check out how I made this, and I think I'll be making a tutorial. Let me first mute this audio here. Video editing. Let me mute this. Mute. So I think I did a tutorial on how to make this spaceship field, just having random spaceship spawn from a mesh like this, so that you can populate the spaceship, the entire city space with spaceships. But I'll also be doing, where am I using cycles? I should be using Eevee. I'll also be doing another tutorial on how to kind of make these buildings here, have them generated, have them spawn on a grid like this. You can see these are the samples that I made and then distributed them on a mesh like this, to end up with a scene like this. Blender needs to first compile, but I think I should also be making taller buildings, because you can see the floor here, which would not be a good thing unless that's that is the look you're going for. But yeah. I think Blender is still compiling. This is a very heavy scene, so it takes a while to compile. Yeah, but this is the final results. You can see the video if you want to watch it. I'll be leaving the link in the description. But yeah, I'm giving this out as an introduction to Blender, so that you can look at the projects, see how easy things are in Blender 2.8 versus 2.7.9, because you can see if you wanted to achieve this volumetric effect in 2.7, you would need a lot of nodes to work with. But basically, for this, to get this volumetric effect, this fog here, we are just using just a single node and a color just to give it that tint that you see there. And I think I did some color correction using here, so using some curves, but this is how it looks. So yeah, you can download the project. It's not too large. I think it's about 2 MBs or something. Let me make sure that I also export the textures. Yeah, so you will download that and you can have a look at this. I think it's a good start if you are new to Blender, to just come into, if you're new to Blender 2.8, you can come in and examine how things have changed and how things work. We have a new render engine, yeah, so a lot of things have changed. So you can download these projects just to have a look at them and see, and maybe use some of them in your projects as well. This is a time machine that I just modeled, and on the Patreon page there are also more models that I usually upload there, so you can also download them if you become a patron. Yeah, so thank you for the support, and I'll be making more of this since I've been receiving a lot of your support, and yeah, so thank you.